In this video, I'm going to share with you a script monitor, a unique feature to Inspector Pro 7.1. So let's take a look at this feature from the point of view of the finished product. So I have a file that I generated a DDR for, this event management file. And then what happened is, once I generated the DDR, ran it to the inspector and generated what is called a lightweight script monitor that I exported out of Inspector. And what it is really every single script and its connections to other scripts that it calls. Let's see here. This script here has a reference to these other scripts. This script calls this script here. And so what it is, basically, it's a representation of all the interaction from a scripting point of view and the solution. And inside this script monitor, there's a template script that you copy into your solution. And then at the top of every script that you want to monitor, you simply put this call up here with the name of the script as a script parameter, get script name as a parameter. And what that does is, once it's configured, anytime I run scripts in here, they light up the nodes of the scripts that I run. So if I add an event, it lights up those nodes, etc., etc. So it could be very useful for systems where you might want to monitor certain scripts to be aware of their activities, and you don't have to monitor all scripts either. So let's take a look at this from the point of view of how you generated an inspector. So if I go into Inspector, and I have a dashboard here for a solution that I analyzed. I go to Script Monitor, I create a monitor, and there's an option here to initialize the monitor with all scripts active. So I'll do that, but you can also initialize the monitor without all the scripts active. So you can selectively choose what scripts you want to have monitored. It generates the monitor with all the scripts. Again, I could selectively pick the scripts that I don't want to have monitored. Maybe these scripts are not necessary to monitor. And I can also attach a sound. And when I'm done with my customization, I can refresh the monitor, export the script monitor, and what that'll allow me to do, once I save it out, like I showed you before, that script monitor is a lightweight monitor that you can host anywhere once it's configured, and add the logic to the top of your scripts, and it will send notifications to those scripts to light up the nodes of those scripts so you can monitor it. So it could be very useful for solutions that you want to have a close eye on things, and I hope this is helpful to you.